day 2 of learning how to TIG weld, and I did a couple beads on this. It's still pretty hot, but I did a couple just starters. I did sharpen all of my tungsten. I put them in a drill, chucked them up, and did it that way rather than spinning it by hand. So we'll see how this works. I have a scrap piece of exhaust pipe. I cut it, I ground the edges. I want to tack these together and then weld it. So let's get to it. I'm using the foot switch today. Try that out, see how it works. Not too concerned about it being exactly straight. I just want to learn how to weld a seam. I'm not sure if this may be stainless steel too. I'm not too sure. I'm just going to put a couple tacks around. Going to need a little bit of filler rod. I ruined the tungsten. That quick. Now I'm going to replace my tungsten with another one. I'm also going to make sure that I get any splatter out of my cup. I have a pick that I'm using just to get the big. Try this again. I got a couple tacks on this side. Let's turn it. Tack this side. It does have post flow and pre flow. With the foot switch, I can hear it. Going on with this? Yeah, I touched the tungsten again. So the one thing they said is you can try and burn it off. Basically just making a bead with no filler. So I'm just gonna burn it up. Okay, back to our project. More difficult than I thought. I think most of it is because I don't have a real setup. I'm standing. Wow. Wow. I made a real weld. It's not terrible. So I'm going to keep practicing. That'll happen from time to time, huh? Let me zap it off. two of being a welder. Little buggery right there. I kind of missed right here. It definitely hit that up. Not terrible for day 2 welding. So anyway, I'm gonna do that. I'm just gonna mess with this some more. Alright guys, I think I'm done for the night. I did a fair amount of welding off camera. I cut this pipe and I welded it back together all the way around. And then I also started to just run beads lengthwise all over the place. You can see I'm getting pretty good penetration in there. You can see like all the way around the seam that I welded, and then all the beads. So thing's hot. I think that's going to be it for today. My plan is to come out here for like a half hour every day and just throw beads down on some sort of metal, whether it be stainless or mild steel. That I believe is mild steel. I did lay a bead of stainless filler rod, and it looked identical to the mild steel, so I just kept using the mild steel. I think it's cheaper, I don't know. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I can't wait till we're actually like welding a real project. So I do have this kit here that I got online, and it's like a piggy bank bomb that's laser cut out, so I'm gonna weld that together. The reason why I didn't start with this is it's gonna be the first thing that I really make, but I don't want it to be my very first weld. So I'm getting to this would be acceptable to weld my first project. If the welds looked like that on my first project, I would be pretty happy. They're not the worst. Well, anyway, thanks for coming along on this welding journey with me. And subscribe, like, drop me a comment, tell me what I'm doing wrong, and I'll see you next time.